Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that safety regulations in a certain building require that the elevator will not carry more than 1,600 pounds. A delivery driver will enter the elevator with a pallet containing a certain number of identical cartons that weigh 45 pounds each. If the combined weight of the delivery driver and the empty pallet is 250 pounds, what is the maximum number of cartons that will be allowed by the building's safety regulations? So our total weight is going to be 1,600 pounds. And that is going to include the weight of the delivery driver and the empty pallet. So it's going to be, we can call that the empty weight, plus all the pallet weights. These two together are going to be equal to 1,600. And our empty weight, we were told, is 250 pounds. Just the driver and his empty pallet are 250 pounds, and you can add as many pallets as are allowed on top of that. So how are you going to calculate the number of pallets? Well, let's say the maximum number of pallets is X. So 45 pounds per pallet times X pallets is 45X pounds. Now we can solve for X. Subtract 250 from both sides. These cancel. We're left with 45X is equal to 1,600 minus 250 is 1,350. Just rewrite this up here. To solve for X, we divide both sides by 45. X is equal to 1,350 divided by 45, which is 30. So the maximum number of cartons that will be allowed by the building safety regulations is 30, and that's going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.